Hello, good afternoon. I wanted to show you a quick test that I just did concerning the yellow containers. And I find it very interesting when it comes to the measurements and the nutrition label and how maybe you guys might be using the yellow container. So I took this quinoa and brown rice. Fast, quick, easy, 90 seconds. We love this stuff. Put in the microwave. And then you fill up your yellow containers for your carbohydrate for the day. So what I did was I took two different yellow containers. This one, I packed this sucker like I was packing brown sugar in a measuring cup to make cookies. Yep. This one, I kind of set in there, moved it around, made sure all the spaces were filled in, made sure everything was even with it. So those are two different ones that I did. And then I measure them. But first off, I took the yellow container itself and weighed it. And the weight of the yellow container is 17 grams by itself. So let's turn this on. My scale, I use it all the time. As you can see, it's got some issues. So I'm going to put the one that is packed on there. Weighs 139 grams. 138, in that range. Non-packed one. 101, okay? So if you take that and minus the 17, so for this one that's packed, you have about 122 grams. The one that's not packed and kind of set in there, you have 84 grams. Now the serving size of this is 1 cup, and 1 cup is 142 grams. So if you're looking at the packed one, it's 122 grams. The serving size is 142, okay? So that's 210 calories for this, 41 grams of carbs, 3.1 grams of fat, and 5.2 grams of protein. Compared to the set-in one, which is, it's 84 when you get done taking the 17 off. The serving size is 142 grams, okay? So this one is 150 calories, 29.4 grams of carbs, 3.8 grams of protein, and 2.2 grams of fat. As you can see, that is a pretty big difference when it comes to both of these containers. You know, you need to decide, are you packing it in there or are you maybe just setting it in there? That could be the difference of maybe your weight loss or your fat loss because your body stores carbs differently. Mine stores it differently than yours does too. The fat and the protein, they weren't too far off of each other. But overall, you know, a little higher in calories in this one than this one. So maybe that's something that you need to look at if that is if you're packing it or setting it in there. So I found this interesting. If you have any questions, just give me a holler. Thanks.